Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can increase your fairy points and basically what the fairy points are for. To increase your fairy points, you're going to go to the fountain and you're going to offer plants that have the glimmering mutation. And then if you have, as you can see, like I now have 3,677 fairy points. To spend it, you're just going to go to the fairy godmother and select talk. Select show me the upgrades, and this is where you can spend your fairy points. So you can up the fairy event duration and increase it from, I actually don't know how many minutes this goes on for. I think from like 5 or like from 9 to like 10 minutes, I don't know. But it was like, it's now at 10 minutes, but if you want to increase it to 11 minutes, you have to have 5,000 fairy points to upgrade that. You can also upgrade the glimmer multiplier. I think this is if you already have the pet. I'm not sure. The roaming fairy spawn amount and the fairy spawn amount in the event, I think. So I'm just going to upgrade this one, I think, after this one. And then as you can see, I have upgraded my fairy spawn amount to level 1. Ooh, Aurora and Fairy. That is so cool. Sorry. But that is how you can use your fairy points and how you can basically increase them or get more, I guess. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.